Want to know the real separator between pros and amateurs? Pre-production and confidence, and it's not even close. Hi, my name is Christian Mercado and I run a video agency called Pause Media, and I've been on many client shoots, and I've gone through the good, the bad, the ugly, and I'm here to inform you that without pre-production, you're basically screwed. Because pre-production is where you plan out your shot list, plan out when you shoot, what time you shoot, every single little detail about the shoot. And if you don't plan out your whole production, you're gonna be left guessing and just making calculated guesses. Then in the editing room, you're gonna find out you're missing footage that you really needed, or all your footage sucks because you didn't bring a gimbal and you were supposed to, but you forgot because you didn't write it down. So pre-production is so crucial. Have a pre-production checklist of make sure I get the script ready, make sure I get all my gear set up, make sure I pack everything the night before, charge everything, make sure everything is perfect and ready to go. Because in filmmaking, the name of the game is minimizing outside variables, because inevitably there are going to be a lot of outside variables when filmmaking. It's just part of the industry. But if you can minimize as much as you can and plan as much as you can, you're going to have a better experience with that client shoot or making that video production. But alongside with pre-production, confidence is really key. Because if you are not confident at a client shoot, you're gonna come off as scared, amateur, noob, beginner. You want to speak with confidence, speak with clarity, because if you act confidently, the client is going to trust you more, which means they're going to give you less of a hassle during the video production, and you want the clients to be as happy as possible with the result. So make sure you are pre-planning everything and acting and speaking with confidence at client shoots. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.